Drop it low and shake it, girl, you are the bomb. Them other youth, me said them definitely wrong. So tell me, baby, that I'm still the number one. Cause I'm not parliament, the man, forget it done.
Let's go. I call my girl, cause I got a problem. Only a curl is gonna solve it. Then I don't really care. Just get him on my head, yeah. Let's switch it up, get it off my shoulder. I've had enough, can't take it no longer. I'm over here, I swear. I'm like, yeah. Gotta get him out my hair, gotta get him out my hair, gotta get him out my hair, gotta get him out my hair. Cause he was just a and I knew it. Got me going back, sitting in this chair. Like I don't care. Gotta get him out my hair. I tried everything, but it's useless. He pushed me so far, now I'm on the edge. Make him disappear. Go get him out my hair.
Stay in that chat mode.
Okay, gonna beat your mind. Peroxide on him, here on the floor, like my memory of him. Now I feel brand new. This chick is over